If you know me, I am so stingy when it comes to what tools and resources I'm willing to spend money on in my business. Since 2018, I have curated the absolute most necessary and best tools. So I will link that below what things I deem worthy. But one of them is Flodesk, and I tried a whole bunch of other email platforms. Flodesk is the best for so many reasons. I'm going to link a blog post I wrote below about why I think it is the best for entrepreneurs. But one of the things that I love about them is they are constantly evolving and trying to make their platform better. For a long time, you had to use Zapier and use Zaps if you wanted to have ThriveCart product that somebody bought be connected to email workflows in Flodesk. They now have that to go away. So in this video, I'm going to walk you exactly through the steps that you take to implement this integration. So let's flip the screen. Okay, the first thing we need to do is get everything working on the ThriveCart end. So log into your account. You do need a Pro Plus account, I believe. So then we are going to go to this little profile, settings, integrations right here, come down to Flodesk. And mine is already authorized, but you will need to authorize your account. So that's the first thing we are going to do. Then it's time to connect whatever product to your Flodesk segment. So I would start off by prior going and creating like a segment tag, if that makes sense. So the way you can do that in Flodesk, so audience, segments, and then we are going to create a new segment. So I would just title this with whatever your product is. I think I already have this. Test. And now we have that in there so that when we then go back to ThriveCart, we'll have that able to be seen. And we are going to go to your product that you are selling. So let's say I want to do my SEO course. You click on edit. And then you can click through all these if you want just by going next, or you can just click on automation. And then we're going to remove this because I already did it. So you'll go add rule when the main product is purchased or whatever you decide you want. For any of your pricing options, you will connect Flodesk. So you might have some other things like Kajabi or whatever set up, but I only have Flodesk. And then you will add them to the segment you just created. If you've been using Zapier, this is your friendly reminder to then go into your Zaps. And I've already done it, but you'll want to I would probably say just delete the Zap that was previously connecting those two platforms. That's literally all you have to do. It's so easy to trigger that workflow for your digital product or your membership, and then they are in your Flodesk circuit and they will start receiving that workflow. If you guys have any specific questions about Flodesk or ThriveCart, I would be happy to answer them. Post it below. And I'll link a couple of my favorite blog posts about both those platforms and why I love them.